Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is something different from what I have done in the past. It is just a casual video which I thought might help you. So the name of the video is grocery shopping for a healthy and balanced diet. So my groceries for this month had just arrived from Amazon Factory and Big Basket. I actually wanted to do a vlog of grocery shopping, and I have been trying to do it for a long time. But thanks to this lockdown, I have stopped going out. So let's see what all do you need for a healthy, balanced diet. So if you like what I'm doing, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who might be helpful from what I'm doing, then please share it with them. And if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, please click the subscribe button, because this motivates me to keep going strong. I will categorize this grocery into three major nutrient groups like carbs, proteins, fats, and what all I use. So the majority of us, we all need carbs in our life. So we will start with carbs. Carbs are very much important, and although if we are trying for weight loss, we should limit our quantity of carbohydrates, but we should not stop eating carbohydrates. We should avoid simple carbohydrates, processed carbohydrates, but there is no harm in eating your dal chawal protein. So first thing is this organic whole wheat atta which I used. This is the 5 kilo atta, which is the staple, the basic, nothing to say here. I used the organic variant because I like it taste, like its taste, and also it is free from synthetic pesticides, which I want to avoid for my baby. And I have not ordered rice because we generally order 25 kilos of semi-polished rice, semi-polished brown rice, which I have spoken in all my videos, which we ordered it locally. This poha, which we use for breakfast. So I think that we don't eat maida, so there is no maida. Then I have ordered something. Yeah. So this millets. Now I have this is something new that I'm going to try. And this is from Big Basket. So this is the little millet. Apart from that, few things which are missing, which I had already gotten, are ragi, jowar which we use, sabudana which we use. So that comprises of our carbs group. So if I forget something from the carbs group, I'll again come back and tell you.
These are some staples which I already had, so I missed out speaking on them, like oats, pasta, then I have the sabudana, then I have ragi, rice flour, vermicelli, suji, idli rava, and the likes like this. So it depends on you on what carbohydrates you are choosing for your family.
Then let's move towards protein. It is always proteins are the building blocks of life, but I have always told that Indian diet is protein deficient, so it is very much necessary to include good proteins in our diet. As we know that non-veg sources are complete proteins, and the cheapest of them are eggs. So I have this farm-made free-range eggs, where the eggs are given vegetarian feed and are free from antibiotics. Order our chicken and fish from the local market 2 to 3 times a week. And thankfully that is also delivered online in these times. Then coming to vegetarian sources of protein, we have all our dals. We order all kind of dals. You can see tur dal, chana dal, moong dal. So everything is there for proteins. So black chana is an excellent source of protein, very good complex carbohydrates, and it also is very good for kids. It is used in a variety of dishes. You can also make sprouts. So do include this in your diet. Then I have this chickpeas, which is the chole. We eat chole once a week. And then I have this Kashmiri rajma, a variant of rajma, which I love. This is also black beans or rajma or green it's an excellent source of protein. It's a vegetarian source of protein. Then I have the urad dal because my kid and my family eat a lot of idli, dosa and vada. Then there's very important thing which I wanted to show you, that is chia seeds. I consume on this on those days when I'm not having eggs or when I'm not having any non-veg. So 100 gram of this contains around 22 gram of protein, which is a very good source of protein. If you want, you can include this in your diet. Otherwise, we have this vegetarian soya chunks, which is also a very good source. You can include it once a week. So lot of variety of food remember to have proteins in adequate quantity in your diet, as I say in all my videos. Now you can. I am missing besan, green moong dal, and all the stuff here because I already have it stocked at home. So do include besan, moong dal for your proteins as well. Fats. Now, often people are confused and avoid fats so that they don't get fat. But good fats are essential for good health, for losing weight, for maintaining weight, and even for gaining weight. Taken in correct quantities, they can yield very good results. So for fats, the cooking oil that I used is this. This is the kachi gandi sarson ka tel. You can use any cold pressed oil. I have already made a video on types of oil and types of cooking things that we can use. So because I am used to the taste of mustard oil, I grew up with this, so I use this. Then we use homemade ghee, and for sometimes for some extra items I use it very less. This will last me for 2 to 3 months, so I use this Mother Dairy ghee. So you see there is no refined oil in my grocery because I completely don't use this. Then I use this Nirmal virgin coconut oil, which is also an excellent source of fat and very good for weight loss, very good for skin, very good for hair. So you put this in your diet. And then I have this almonds, which is again I stocked from the local wholesaler, so I don't have it here. Almonds are very good source of fat. Then I have cashews. Then I have the kishmish. Then I have some sunflower seeds. Then I have some peanuts. These are all good fats and needs to be included in your diet. So I think I've pretty much done with everything. The rest are these masalas, basic masalas. I have a chaat masala, some sabji masala, some garam masala. I have a bottle of honey, and I have this chyawanprash which we use in this season. Then I have a bottle of ghee. I have some jeera, and I have the common salt. Yes, you can see I have no sugar in my grocery list, and I have this thing which is the organic jaggery powder. So I use this jaggery powder. I'm also a big fan of this 24 Mantra brand because I feel they sell really genuine stuff. And then these are these toiletries that we use. Nothing to show for this video. Then for snacks, I have these corn kernels. So this is 500 gram of corn kernels. Will yield you around 20 times. So you can eat popcorn out of this. I have shared many variants like chocolate popcorn, like caramel popcorn, like masala popcorn on my videos. On my channel, you can go and check that out. And then I have this amazing makhana, which I would say is a very good protein source. So this is a little expensive, but my kid loves it, and this is extremely nice snack time option for around 4:30 p.m., 5 p.m. crunchy, yummy. So this is also a good protein source and a snack option. So I think we are fairly done with all the grocery that I brought. Then I have these fresh fruits which I ordered: apples, bananas. Then I have a papaya, which is a very good source of all good things, vitamins, minerals, everything. And we keep on ordering these fruits and vegetables almost daily. And you can see the vegetables I have: brinjal. Then I have this drumsticks. I have richgourd. I have a lot of tomatoes. Then I have this green capsicum. I have bell peppers. I have this cucumber, carrots, beetroot. I'm showing you some quantities, list all quantities. I'm still have to unpack. So I think I'm pretty much done. This is all you need for a healthy and balanced diet and for my grocery shopping for my week. So thank you. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments box what all do you shop for your grocery. How are you dealing with this grocery in your lockdown? We'll be happy to see you.